Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Siti Umi Hidayanti. Today I would like to present about motivating EFL learners, strategies to keep students engaged. As future EFL teachers, we know that teaching grammar and vocabulary is important, but the biggest challenge in the classroom is not the material. The biggest challenge is how to make students stay motivated and interested. In this presentation, I will explain why motivation is very important in language learning, and I will share 5 practical strategies that we can use to keep our students active and engaged in class. Let's get started. Before we talk about solution, let's look at the problem first. In many EFL classrooms, we can see 4 common problems. First, students feel bored because the topic is not related to their life. Second, they are afraid of making mistakes. Third, they have low confidence. And fourth, they become fussy learners. They just sit, listen, and copy. If this continues, students will not improve their speaking and reading skill. So this is not about intelligence. This is about motivation. Next slide is why is students' motivation important? So why do we need to focus on motivation? Because motivated students have 5 advantages. They learn faster because they focus. They participate more because they are not afraid. They remember vocabulary longer because they use it in real communication. They also don't give up easily when they face difficult grammar. And finally, the class becomes more enjoyable. Without motivation, even the best textbook and method will not work. Next slide is strategy number 1. Use relevant and interesting topic. Strategy number 1 is to use relevant topic. Students will be motivated if they feel the lesson is about them. Don't always use topic from the textbook like my family or my school. Try to use topic about K-pop, games, or TikTok. For example, instead of asking students to describe their bedroom, we can ask them to describe their favorite YouTuber. When the topic is interesting for them, they will automatically want to speak in English without us forcing them. Next slide is use games and interactive activities. For strategy number 2 is to use games and interactive activities. Language learning doesn't have to be serious all the time. We can use role play, vocabulary games, or application like Kahoot and quizzes. We can also do storytelling where each student adds one sentence. When students play games, they forget that they are afraid of making mistakes. They just focus on fun. And through playing, they learn and remember new words better. Next slide. Give positive reinforcement and feedback. Strategy number 3 is to give positive reinforcement. Many students don't want to speak because they are afraid of being wrong. As teachers, our job is to build their confidence, praise their efforts, not only the correct answer. Say things like, "Good job," or "I like your idea." If they make a mistake, correct it gently and privately. Never look at them. When students feel safe and appreciated, they will be more brave to try speaking English. Next slide. Use small group and pair work. Strategy number 4 is to use small group and pair work. Speaking in front of the whole class is very scary for EFL, for English foreign language students. But in a group of 3 or 4, they feel safer in small groups. Every student gets more chance to speak. They can also help each other with vocabulary and grammar. As a teachers, we can walk around and help each group. This way, in one class period, all students have a chance to practice English. Next slide is set clear and achievable goals. The last strategy is to set clear and achievable goals. Don't tell students, you must be fluent. That goal is too big and makes them stressed. Instead, make small goals like, this week we'll learn 10 words about food. When students achieve that small goal, praise them. We can use a checklist or sticker card. When students see their own progress, they feel proud. And that feeling of success will make them more motivated to learn the next material. Next slide. So summary. 5 keys to engage English foreign language learners. So to conclude, motivating English foreign language learners is the key to successful language teaching. We don't need expensive tools or perfect textbooks. We just need these 5 keys. First, use topics that are relevant to students. Second, make learning fun with games. Third, always give positive feedback. Fourth, use small group work. And last, set small goals. If we do these 5 things consistently, I believe our students will be more active, more confident, and they will love learning English. Thank you. Thank you for your kind attention. Finally, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.